Hello, I'm Jackie from Sewell and Gardner, and we are delighted to have for sale this stunning and characterful 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom Victorian family home. It's set on the ever popular Nightingale Road, which is in the heart of Rickmansworth town centre, close to the Metropolitan line station and bustling High Street. Let's take a look inside. The property has an abundance of character, with high ceilings, large windows and beautiful fireplaces. Here we are in the living room, which leads on to a small study, and there's also a fantastic dining room. A few stairs lead down to a gorgeous open plan kitchen diner with fantastic island, utility room and shower room. Upstairs there are 6 double bedrooms and 4 further bathrooms. Here we are in the south-facing garden, which is mature and level, so perfect for entertaining. There's vehicular access to the original coach house, which is currently used for storage, and there's also a gorgeous playhouse for children. Thank you for taking a look around. The property also has a huge amount of potential to extend, subject to the usual permissions. If you'd like any more information or to arrange a viewing, then please give us a call on 01923 776 400.